Unfriended, Understanding Digital Relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a word that has become quite relevant in the digital age. Unfriended. It's a word you might have heard in the context of social media, and it's important for understanding modern social interactions online. So, let's dive into what it means to be unfriended and how you can use this term in your conversations. The term, unfriended, is a relatively new word that has emerged with the rise of social media. To be unfriended on social media is to have someone remove you from their list of friends or contacts. It's the digital equivalent of saying someone is no longer your friend or you are no longer in their social circle online. Unfriending is an action specific to social networking platforms. It's a non-verbal statement that can carry a lot of emotional weight. When a person unfriends you, it may indicate a desire to cut off communication or signal a change in the social relationship. It's important to note that being unfriended is a passive experience. You don't do anything to be unfriended. It's done to you by someone else. There can be many reasons why someone might unfriend another person on social media. It could be due to a falling out between friends, a disagreement, or simply because one person wants to keep their feed free of content they're not interested in. Understanding the context and reasons for unfriending can be as important as the act itself. Let's look at how to use unfriended in a sentence. I was unfriended by my coworker on Facebook after the argument. She unfriended several people to make her social media experience more positive. By using the term in various sentences, you can practice conveying the nuance of digital relationships in English. Being unfriended can lead to a variety of emotional responses, such as surprise, confusion, or sadness. It can also have no effect at all, depending on the relationship. It's a unique consequence of how we interact online today and reflects the changing nature of friendship and connection in the digital era. I hope this video helps you understand what it means to be unfriended and how you can talk about online relationships in English. Remember, as social media continues to shape the way we connect with each other, our language evolves too. Keep learning, and use these new words to express your experiences better. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.